Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Dr. John Mathai. He was born on 10th of January 1886 into an Orthodox Syrian Christian family in Kozhikode. He graduated in economics from Madras Christian College and then joined Madras Law College. He pursued his doctorate at London School of Economics and also in the political science from Oxford. He taught economics at Presidency College, and because of his excellent command on economics, he was appointed as a director by Tatas. He is considered as one of the architects of the Bombay Plan, which was by then Viceroy of India Lord Wavell as a solution to India's economic problem. He mainly devoted himself to government service and towards academics. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from United Provinces on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues mainly related to economics and development. He spoke on taxation provisions. He spoke on industrialization of our country. We will just see that. 9th of September 1949, quote, I want to make this perfectly clear that speaking for myself and for my colleagues in the central government today, there is nothing which we are more anxious to encourage and put through than the industrialization of the country. So he was absolutely in favor of industrialization of the country. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.